I want to welcome you here to the George Washington Carver Museum. We're here to premiere the documentary Haskell House and the Story of Clarksville.
Events like this and audiences like this, diverse and curious and interested in the history of our fair city, is how we keep our legacy alive.
The historic Hezekiah Haskell House was built by Peter Tucker, a formerly enslaved man, and his wife, Betty, in about 1875.
A safe space where they can live independent, self-sustaining lives on their own property.
Some of Clarksville is a result of land that was sold or given to Charles Clark, who decided that he would offer the land to other freed blacks. And so Charles Clark actually established Clarksville in 1871.
Now, you probably recognize many of the people who were in the film on the stage tonight, and we're going to be sharing a little bit more about their connection to Clarksville and to the Haskell House.
Clarksville helped me find out who I am, and I'm just grateful. There's so many people in the audience who were part of that journey.
You know, one of my hopes is that the younger generation can appreciate it and that it continues.
And I had a lot of time in that house, because he used to call my mom and tell her, send that big head boy down to my house. I need him to go to the store or pick the figs off the fig tree.
All of this just speaks to me about the amazing power of the people that settled and created Clarksville. And even if they weren't enslaved by P's, they were enslaved somewhere. I think it's important that we also make sure that our stories are valued and what's being passed on is valued.
I want to fully recognize that there were free Black people in the 1800s who took the opportunity to have agency, independence, and freedom right here in the city of Austin. And so tonight we celebrate with the family and descendants of the folks who happened to make that legacy reality right here in our fair city of Austin, Texas.